Oh, well, I ordered this tablet about 2 weeks ago because I was going to use it with the latest version of Adobe. And it turns out when I bought the online version of Adobe and tried to run it, it said I needed to have Windows 10. So then I tried to back up my C drive to upgrade it from Windows 8.1 to 10, and the C drive failed due to bad sectors. So I've spent the past 2 weeks repairing my C drive and getting it all to work properly so that I could finally back up my C drive. And once I got that done, I have just upgraded my computer to Windows 10. So my computer is on Windows 10, which means I can now run the copy of Adobe that I've been paying for the past 2 weeks, which means I can now finally open my tablet that I had ordered 2 weeks ago, or had received 2 weeks ago. But I vowed to myself that I would not even open it until I got Adobe running to give myself incentive to get through this process. And I have done it. And this was recommended to me by both Dennis Smith and Luke McNeil of the Blackstone Valley Art Association. One of the things with tablets is if they are iffy, and if like you're trying to draw and it skips and all that kind of stuff, it could drive you absolutely crazy. And I wanted to make sure I had something that artists that I knew and trusted had been using and that they loved and that they enjoyed the feel and everything of it. And both of them recommended this one. So let's see what is in this. It's got a handle. That's lovely. I ordered this from PTH Photo, if I recall properly. It ended up being cheaper to get it there than from Amazon. I know people have mixed feelings about Amazon, but when I order from Amazon, I can make sure all of the purchases provide credit to charities I believe in, and I like that aspect of it. All right. So the outside plastic box is now done with. Put that over to the side. Now we've got an inside box. Welcome. Isn't that sort of nice? It says welcome. Looks very neat and clean. I suppose we'll open the welcome thing. Oh, look. It's an empty card. You could send someone a postcard that says welcome. I suppose that's nice of them, but it starts to fall into the excessive packaging problem. All right, this does look recyclable. All right, so we can recycle that. I do recycle quite a lot. And here we have it. So there's the tablet. Put that to the side for a minute. This little inner thing. So we've got, put that to the side. Little Mexico note. Little dongly things. Mysterious. So it's probably like to hold the stylus. Battery. We got the stylus, which is in cardboard. It has little foam things to hold it. Little foam things stuck on it. It's a little excessive in terms of how robustly this foam thing is on here. I would have tried to lift it the other way, but it didn't seem like it even went the other way. Alright, there we go. Stylus. Piece of cardboard. cable. So that's just cardboard. All right, more recycling. Cardboard. And cardboard. And that's the end of the box. All right. So, I mean, we have to use some cardboard and able to protect it from harm. So with all the cardboard gone, let's see what we're left with. All right, Mexican thing is going in the recycle bin. All right, that leaves us with circle thing, battery, dongles, stylus, box, cable, and pad. All right, let's start with the box. Plastic, recycle. Alright. Some user guides. We get some little circle things. User guides, CD. Wow, does anyone actually send CDs anymore? Don't they all just download them? But I suppose they're covering all the bases. Alright. So that's what's in there. Alright, battery. That can be recycled. Little tablet holder, we're assuming. Look at that. That can be recycled. That's getting recycled. Alright, dongle holders. We got a big, it'll open up. We got a big dongle. That kind of a connector. And we've got a USB one. Alright, so I'll be sticking that into the back of my computer. Recycled. Another cable. Recycled. Well, I suppose so far everything I've been finding can be recycled, so that's a good sign. Except for these things. Our local plastic place doesn't take plastic like this. Alright, so the little wedge trapezoidal thing. Cable. Trash, unfortunately. And then instructions, touch on and off, show settings, shift, touch on and off, show settings, shift, control, alt, pin, scroll. Alright, so right, I'm really pretty excited about this because I've really wanted these for a long time. Alright, so there is the tablet. I'm going to go set all this stuff up now. If you want to see this in use, then take a look on YouTube for Luke McNeil, L-U-K-E, and the last name is M-A-C-N-E-I-L. And he's doing a whole series of video workshops for the Blackstone Valley Art Association every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And a lot of the times he uses a tablet to do his drawing and experimenting, including making mandalas. So super cool stuff. And I'm going to start setting this up now and playing with it. And undoubtedly, if you watch my channel, you will see some videos of mandala creation very soon. So let me know if you have any questions about this and how it works. I will let you know as soon as I start playing with it.